Hello, I'm Ash and welcome to my channel. In this series of videos, I'll be sharing my investment portfolio on the Trading212 platform. Today, I'll walk you through my Invest account as of the end of May 2024. Currently, my account value stands at around 69,600. I've positioned my investments for a potential market dip. As you can see, 2/3 of my account is currently invested in the Lixo Smart Overnight Return ETF, or CSH2. It's a type of money market ETF that is actively managed and aims to achieve higher returns than the benchmark rate it tracks, which is SONIA, or Sterling Overnight Index Average. It has minimal risk and extremely low volatility, and it's yielded a return of 5.38% over the past year. But my ultimate goal is to transition this investment into the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 ETFs once the market makes some corrections. The remaining third of my portfolio is what I like to call my fund portfolio. This is where I invest in individual stocks across different industries. I've created pies to organize these investments based on their sectors. Here is a quick look at the sectors I've created: big tech, consumers, financials, healthcare, services, and others. The big tech sector is my main focus and currently includes 16 companies. This includes all the major big tech companies plus companies like Tesla. The idea here is to benefit from the swings within the ETFs. Although big tech companies make up a large portion of both Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 ETFs, they don't always move up or down together. This creates opportunities to capitalize on market swings while also investing in some of my favorite companies. Here is a breakdown of my top 10 holdings at the moment. I've been investing in this account for almost 2 years now, and I've realized some gains as well. Some of the holdings you see here are based on my previous decisions and will be rebalanced gradually over the next few months. Because I've changed my investment strategy, I've decided to track my returns from the 1st of January 2024 separately. So I'll be providing two sets of stats, one for the start of this account back in 2022 until January 24 and one for the current year. First, let's have a look at the 2024 return. The yellow line shows the annualized money-weighted rate of return, which tells you how much your portfolio has changed in value on a yearly basis, considering the timing and the volume of the cash flows. As you can see, I withdrew £10,000 in April and deposited back some of my personal savings, a total of £40,000 in May. That's where money-weighted rate of return can help provide an accurate picture of how my portfolio has performed. The annualized rate of return has risen to 3.98% when including May, which indicates an improvement in the overall performance. But I haven't expected a lot of returns simply because I've kept most of my money in the money market ETF waiting for a market pullback. Here are my investment stats for November 2022 to the end of 2023. With a total deposit of £35,023 by the end of this period, I achieved a net return of £3,877, bringing my total account value to £38,900. In terms of rate of return, my annualized money-weighted rate of return was 8.95%, and the cumulative money-weighted rate of return was 10.52%. During the period from January to the end of May 2024, I increased my deposit by £30,000 and my net return increased by £700, bringing my total account value to £69,600. The annualized money-weighted rate of return, as shown before, is now at 3.98%, which is still lower than the period shown on the left-hand side. The cumulative values shouldn't be compared though, because they depend on the length of the investment time frame. And that's been my investment journey in this account so far. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next update.